got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis, and today we're going to replace the remote battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do to change the remote battery is take out the emergency key out of the bottom. There's a button right here. We're going to push it, and you can slide the emergency key out. I'm going to turn the remote over like this. Now you're going to want to get a flathead screwdriver to help you do this. There's a slot right here that we're going to stick a screwdriver in. We're going to turn it clockwise, okay, or you can go counterclockwise, doesn't matter. But you'll notice that when I did that, it split the remote open, and we're just going to go around a little bit, pop this guy open, take the cover off, and the back cover is what holds the battery. We're going to come over here to the bottom, just pop this guy out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. So the battery itself is a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down. It goes back in here. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon. If you need the size again and all the info, it's there. All we do is just snap it together, and we're all done. You know you have this thing back together correctly when the emergency key goes back in and clicks. All right, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Just see you again in another video.